Thank you all so very much for joining us tonight. This is our weekly Team Wealthy Place call, and we are excited that all of you have joined us here. We know that so many of you that are calling in from around the nation, you begin hearing about this exciting opportunity called Sizzle International. And if you're on this line tonight, you are likely invited by someone who is a team member, someone who is a member of Team Wealthy Place. And our slogan here at Team Wealthy Place is that we are on our way. We're on our way to our healthy place, which is going to directly lead us to our wealthy place. We are getting off of what we call the toxic grid, and we're moving ourselves in a direction for better health. We're moving ourselves in a direction for a place that will help us to be able to function and to feel and to think and to act better. And we're certainly moving to a place where we will be able to finance the things that we've always wanted to be able to do in our lives. And so it just gives me pleasure tonight to thank you all for being here. I want to encourage you, if you're on the line, if you're an invited guest, to thank the person that invited you to the line, because they have done you a great service tonight to show you to a place and introduce you to a group of people that's going to tonight extend to you an opportunity of a lifetime. With that in mind and with that said, I am going to introduce now the gentleman that will be hosting this call. I'm so excited to be in business with him. I'm excited because of his leadership skills and all of the things that he brings to the table as we are navigating our way in Team Wealthy Place to a place of being able to distinctly make a difference in the lives of everyone that connects to this team. I'm talking about a gentleman that is a proven leader, one that is absolutely taking us to the very top of the potential of what this company offers. I'm speaking of the man himself from Columbia, South Carolina. Are you on the line, Calvin Ellerbe?
Hey, Gwen, can you hear me, Lady G?
I absolutely can.
Well, listen, before you step away from the mic, I would be remiss if I didn't thank you for all that you're doing for Team Wealthy Place, that excitement, that energy. You're fired up, pumped up, and ready to go. I feel like I could just give the benediction and tell everybody good night, but I got to give them some intel. So thank you so much, Gwen, for all that you do.
It's my pleasure. Take it away.
Awesome, awesome. Hey, first of all, like Gwen said, this is Calvin Ellerbe from Columbia, South Carolina, and it is truly my pleasure to be hosting this call tonight. And I do encourage you to get something to write with and something to write on. I want you to take some copious notes tonight. Somewhere I read that a short pencil is better than a long memory any day, because we want to give you enough information that you can make an intelligent and informed decision about being a part of this movement with Team Wealthy Place. Tonight we're going to talk about how you and your family can get off that grid, how you can get off that toxic, that unhealthy, that unnatural grid. But we want to start by saying, why Sizzle? Now, I'm sure if you're like most people, if you're a leader, if you're on this call, you are a leader, you're getting emails. I mean, your email box is inundated with requests to get on this call. You've been hit on Facebook, LinkedIn, all over the place. So the question is, why Sizzle? And I want to share with you why we say Sizzle is the right time, the right opportunity, and now. I've been in this industry in a long time. All of my adult life, I've been in the industry of sales and marketing, direct sales, multi-level marketing, relationship marketing also. And one of the keys to my success, I must admit, I've had some incredible mentors. And I truly believe that mentorship is even more effective than personal experience. My mentors have told me several things, Calvin, you have to look for when you are choosing a company, several things that you have to have in place to have success in this industry. And it's the first thing is leadership. That if you show me a successful football team, basketball team, corporate American team, even a Boy Scout troop, I show you leadership in place. And I'm here to tell you today, beyond a shadow of a doubt, we have the right leadership in place all across the country. But I'd be remiss if I didn't talk about my great friend, my mentor, Jerome Hughes, a gentleman I had the opportunity, the privilege and pleasure to meet over 10 years ago. And when I heard about Jerome Hughes, I heard all these accolades, all the great things they were saying. And I thought he was 8 foot tall and bulletproof. And I found out he was just bulletproof, was not 8 feet tall. But he was a guy that has a heart of a champion. This is a guy that is a leader's leader and a trainer of trainers. He was an individual that I witnessed over 100,000 people to go through his network, based upon his leadership. Here's a guy I witnessed make over $100,000 in a 30-day period of time, over $1 million in a 12-month period of time. A true leader. I do believe, beyond a shadow of a doubt, when it's all said and done, Jerome Hughes will be on the Mount Rushmore of leadership. And there's only 4 positions there. The other thing he said, listen, you got to have not good products, but you got to have excellent products. You got to have products that really represent the gold standard in this industry. Because for so long, so many people have been selling their family out on bad products for compensation. So I wanted to make sure that if I was going to offer my family and friends and coworkers and church members and people that I know, love, and trust these products, I had to feel great about these products. And as Gwen said earlier, this is the highest level efficacious products that I've ever seen in all my years of health and wellness. It simply means these products are designed to do what they say they would do. The third thing my mentor said, you got to make sure a company has the stability, which means it's debt-free, which means it has the financial wherewithal to really move that company to whatever position it needs to be, to make sure that when it's time to cut a paycheck, that check will be cut on time. And you're going to hear about this incredible compensation plan we had, which is the fourth thing. You must have a robust compensation plan where you don't have to be a rainmaker to make money in this company. You don't have to be a Carl or a Leon or Jerome to make money in this company. We want to position you where the average person can make above average income, knowing in today's economy that if you are able to make an extra $500 to $1,000 a month, you're in a good company. The fifth thing he says is that you got to get involved with a company that's in the right industry. Well, when you take a look at the health and wellness industry, it's predicted to be the next trillion-dollar industry because of a group of people called the baby boomers, over 8,000 per day retiring and projected for the next 18 to 20 years. And this is a group of people that move every segment of the economy. We're talking about politics, especially. We're talking about the economy, especially. These are a group of people that want to feel better, live longer, and perform better, look better. That's the baby boomers, and that's the industry of people that's going to really help us move our company. The sixth thing, he said, look, when you got all these things, you want to make sure you got great support, great customer service, and great training. And you're going to hear some of that from our leaders also. But the final thing he said is that you got to make sure you select the right team. Leadership can't do it all by themselves. Ask LeBron James. But you got to make sure you have the right team, okay? And here's what's going to happen. Here's what I want to submit to you tonight, that it's going to become evident that Sizzle is the right company at the right time. And whether people join Sizzle or not is not going to be the question. They're going to start selecting what team I want to be a part of. So what we're doing as leaders is giving people, your prospects, your contacts, a compelling reason why they want to be a part of Team Wealthy Place within Sizzle. Why Sizzle? Why not? We're talking about a company that's been around since 2006. We have some of the top leaders, the top owners in the industry that have integrity, Tom Myers and Tom Myers Jr. These are some great individuals that we had the privilege and pleasure of meeting. They have a mission to create the most powerful personal care and dietary supplements, not in the country, but in the world. And that's an awesome statement, okay? But it's true. We're talking about they own a debt-free facility, over 440,000 square foot facility where they control from start to finish of all their products. And not to mention they have 14 to 15 scientists, not employees, but scientists on staff operating in over 40 different countries. When you look at the acronym of Sizzle, it stands for science, innovation, success, energy, and longevity. Why Sizzle? Why not? But tonight, before you get off this call, you will have enough information. We're going to make a compelling argument, which means almost impossible for you not to join not only this company, but this incredible team. Tonight, we're going to talk to you about how to get off the grid, how to get off that toxic, unnatural, unhealthy grid. Our team has created a campaign where we're taking this personally. See, it's beyond opportunity. Now it's about responsibility. When you know better, you truly must do better. So we can't think of anyone better to come to the mic tonight and talk with you about getting off the grid, getting off that toxic grid, getting off that unnatural grid, getting off that unhealthy grid that has been affecting you and your families for generations. Lady G, back to the call. Hey, Lady G, are you there?
I I am absolutely here, and I'm so excited to just have a chance of once again to speak to everyone that is on this call. I want to say to you, one of the things that's so exciting for me about being a part of this team, having taken advantage of this opportunity, is the absolute difference that is made in my life. You know, I would say this: I'm a product of the product. When I tell you, I use Sizzle International products every single day. When I started using these products a few weeks ago, it became apparent to me early on that there was something different about the effectiveness of these products. I'm a person that I cannot use any product, and I cannot use any, particularly I can't put anything on my skin because I have very, very sensitive skin. And if you're a woman and if you're, you know, like me, I'm 50 years old, you know, I'm kind of not even ashamed to say it, but I'm perimenopausal, you know, which means that I come with, you know, various different aspects of life now that I didn't have when I was in my 30s, that I didn't, you know, didn't have to deal with when I was in my 20s. You know, I have a very heightened level of allergies now that I didn't have before. You know, I deal with things like, stress, and I deal with things like being overly, sometimes just, consumed with pressures and things that, you know, in my joints, pains, and just various things that in life I didn't have to deal with when I was younger. Well, I started using the Sizzle skincare line first because I wanted to address some things that could just make me look better. I tell you, after using Sizzle skincare, beginning with a product called Transfusium, it completely transformed my life because now, when I tell you I use this product, I've been using it now for about 6 weeks, there's little to no blemishes in my skin anymore. I added to that product another product called Vanquish. And the product line, the skincare line is just phenomenal. All of the products are completely 100% organic. They're completely chemical-free. All of them have just nutraceutical benefits that are just amazing. When I tell you I can put them on my skin, a very sensitive level skin, and I don't get any side effects. I don't have any allergies. I don't get any breakouts or any kind of blemishes, but my skin has been completely transformed. I've added to Transfusium the use of this product called Vanquish. Let me tell you, Vanquish has transformed the look of my eyes. I don't have the circles, the darkness that was underneath my eyes before. It is completely gone. And as I continue to use it, it's almost like my age is reversing before my eyes. I was at work the other day, and someone was looking at me, and they were kind of just staring at me, and this was the day that I had forgotten to put on my makeup. And so as I was going about the day, this same person came back and said, "What are you using on your skin?" And my first reaction was that, oh, my goodness, I realized that I had forgotten to put on any makeup. And I said, well, today I don't have on any makeup. And they go, well, that's not what I mean because you don't need any makeup. Your skin is completely flawless. Now, I hadn't really paid attention to the development and the progression of what my skin had started to look like until this person said this. Well, I went to the mirror around my lunch break, not to seem too vain, and I tell you, what I saw was amazing. I realized that this product is absolutely working for me. I don't know to tell you that it's just the skincare alone because I also use the Triangle of Life, which is a tri-supplement product. You know, there's three different products in the Triangle of Life. These are all liquid supplements. I can get into the details, but let me tell you, when you take this product, it's like putting yourself on a jetpack in the morning. You literally find yourself with more energy. You find yourself feeling, like as if you've given yourself a boost of antioxidants. You find yourself moving at light speed. You also find yourself being able to think more clearly and focus better. The Triangle of Life is amazing. And then to add to that, I also take a supplement that the company produces called TSX. And that simply stands for Telomere Support Extreme. Your telomeres are something that everybody should know about because it is literally the groundwork of every function in our bodies, because the telomeres are the end strands of your DNA. And when your DNA molecules start to age over time, what happens is they start to unravel. Well, this product, which has been proven through scientific research, through clinical trials, through what I would call Nobel Prize-winning science, this product was developed from the science that was proven to literally reverse the aging process of your telomere strands, which means that it seals them back up. As they unravel, this product is able to reverse that, seal them back up, and even grow them out longer. I wish I could give you the visual of it. But just like you can get your blood pressure checked, just like you can go and have your blood sugar levels checked, you can get your telomeres checked. And I tell you, this product is so revolutionary that when people get their telomeres checked, after having taken this product for so many months, you can literally tell a difference in how fast that person's aging has now began to slow down. And so it slows down the aging process. It's an amazing product. I could go on and on with so many of the various different products, Calvin, but I'm going to stop there because I think I've already said enough. From the toothpaste in the morning to all of the supplements I take throughout the day, to the shampoo, to the hair care, to the skin care, to even the things that the products that I can use to clean my dishes and to clean my floors and to wash my windows. This company has the product that everyone needs to be using if we care about the health and the wellness of our families. Back to you, Calvin.
Hey, Gwen, before you step away from the mic, as I listen to you, you open up talking about this incredible skin care product that Sizzle have. But most women feel like they have to give up health for beauty. Most women feel like, yeah, I'm going to use this product. It's going to give me some benefits, but there's going to be some detriment also. So, Gwen, I want to ask you, do you feel like you have to give up health for beauty with Sizzle products that you're using now?
Absolutely not, Calvin. And what it's interesting you mentioned that, because what I feel now even more so is that I've actually been able to improve my health by giving myself a healthy alternative to use products that are twofold. The products are designed to do what every other product are designed to do, which is actually to make you look better, which makes you in one sense feel better. But in the true sense, when you're using products that have toxic ingredients, when you're using a product that has an aluminum base, when you're using a product that has, an ingredient that would cause you to have an adverse allergic reaction to it, that in essence is really hurting your health. When you're using hair care products that are designed to make your hair feel soft and shiny, but at the same time it's killing the root stem of your hair, which is actually taking the hair out or breaking it, causing it to break or be lost, then that's no benefit. But these products, Calvin, have absolutely added so much health benefit while at the same time performing in the way that we are looking for them to perform when we're looking for certain products. And so it's just a win-win all the way around.
Wow. That's leadership. Gwen, thank you so much for pitch hitting right there. But I knew I can count on you because you're the leader that brings so much to the table with Team Wealthy Place. Thank you so much.
It is my pleasure. Thank you, Calvin.
Awesome. Hey, listen, we just talked about getting off the grid, getting off the unnatural, the unhealthy, the toxic grid as it comes to your health and wellness. But what we want you to do now, we want you to kind of lean forward, because we're going to continue this conversation about getting off the grid, but now we're going to talk about getting off the corporate grid. We want to talk to you about how you can put yourself in a money-making situation where corporate America is an option and not an ultimatum. I remember many, many years ago when I was introduced to this incredible industry called network marketing, relationship marketing. I was so excited, pumped up, motivated, and fired up because I was truly ready to get off the corporate grid. Within 18 months, I placed myself in a money-making situation where I had options. And at that particular time, Carl, I wasn't too sure. So I began to test the water. I actually called one day, like most people call their job when they want time off, they called in sick. One day I called in well. I called my supervisor, and I said, Stacy, I'm not coming in today. And he paused. He said, are you coming in tomorrow? And I paused. I said, let me give you a call back. And family, when I hung up that phone, I felt so liberated. See, there's nothing in the world that can give you that kind of feeling of freedom when you put yourself in a money-making situation, okay, where you have options and no longer ultimatums. So what we're going to do now is talk to you about getting off the corporate grid. We have one of the most robust compensation plans that gives you that option to do that as well. And we're going to reach down to the state of excitement, the Arkansas Razorback state. And we're going to bring Carl to the line. And Carl is a true leader with over 30 years of experience in this incredible industry. Carl has only worked for a few companies, but in those companies, he reached the top income position in those companies. He is truly a rainmaker when it comes to the industry of network marketing, but this guy is so humble. This is why he's so successful in this industry. And Team Wealthy Place count it a true, blessing to be a part, for Carl to be a part of our organization. With that being said, hey, Carl, are you there?
I'm here, Calvin. How are you?
Hey, Carl, I am doing absolutely incredible. We just wrapped up. You heard from Gwen talking about getting off that toxic grid. Now we're going to talk about the possibility, having the option of getting off the corporate grid. With that being said, hey, Carl, take it away.
Yeah, thank you, Calvin, and thanks for the call, and thanks for inviting me to the call. And everybody that's on the call, I always say the most important person on this call is the brand new person, the person just starting to build, or perhaps the person listening to this for the very first time and hearing this and understanding there is a way out. There is a way to change your financial future. I was very, very much committed to this company, this Sizzle. I was committed 100% before we went out there last week. It's been about a week ago today. We got on a plane and flew out there. I was committed, and I really was committed. I'm committed for just doing this, working as hard as I can, getting as many people off the grid as I can, because of the products and because of the compensation plan, and because I was sick and tired of being sick and tired of bringing people into programs and knowing that they weren't going to succeed. They weren't going to succeed. You know why? Because the comp plan is stacked a certain way that they won't succeed. But I was committed because of Jerome Hughes. Met him 3 years ago. He has honesty, integrity, but he has something which we all seek in this industry. Those of us that have done it for a while, had the opportunity and the blessing of being blessed in this industry. He knows what he knows. He walks the walk. Not just talks the talk, he walks the walk. When I met him out there personally again here a week ago and met the whole team, Calvin and everyone, Leon, everyone, Dr. Knight, I could go on and on, Dr. Kelly. When we all got together out there and we started to see each other and see each other's heart, we had something going on. So I was already committed. Jerome had already told me what we had here. I believed him, and I believed what he had, and I believed that he wouldn't go anywhere. This is a man that really is sought after in the industry to come to a company, so he wouldn't go anywhere if there was nothing here. But boy, was there something here. And then after meeting Tom Maurer Jr. and meeting Fabian and meeting the other principals of the company, again, I was committed before I went out, and now I'm triple committed because they also walk the walk. They don't just talk the talk. They're in this seriously to change people's life on the health end and on the financial end, very seriously. The company's 8 years old. It's not a startup company. In some of my trainings, I do. A lot of times I'll say, if you show me 100 startup companies today, I will show you 99 that won't be here in 2 years. That's what it is in this industry. This is an 8-year-old company, well-funded, ready to go. They are absolutely debt-free. 400,000 square foot facility went through out there, 40,000 square feet standing aside as we grow, manufacturing for 40 different companies, scientists on duty. Impossible to imagine unless you see it yourself. Impossible to say what they have there. And it was all paid cash. Everything was paid cash. Tom Maurer Sr., he believes in what he's doing here. This is his mission. And anybody that has that mission and that belief, if you go back and look at the other great network marketing companies out there, he's done it one time before, one of the top 5 companies in the industry, a billion-dollar company. He's done it before. He has this mission. He will not give up. He's there. It's going to happen. And with that kind of attitude and that kind of leadership and that kind of ownership in this company, and now to our Team Wealthy Place, the leadership we have here is phenomenal. And so the comp plan to me was something that kind of blew me away. How about this? How about, we got 2 days left in the month, right? You can go out tonight, get started tonight if you're brand new on this call. If you just started, I know Gordon's one of our brand new guys here. He's on the call. He sent me a statement, what he's going to do here before July 31st, how much he wants us to make, how he's going to accomplish that. We went over that whole thing yesterday. You know, you're the most important person here. You're one of them, Gordon. And what you need to do in the next 2 days, you want to get paid tomorrow. Let's put somebody in tonight. You want to get paid Tuesday. Let's put somebody in Monday. Now, the month is finished, and we're on our way to our wealthy place as we head into the month of July. You know, in the month of July, I want to say this, and I'm going to explain the comp plan. It doesn't take long for me to explain that, but I want to say this. July is probably the most important month in August, July and August, in building your organization. Why do I say that? Because you want to build a team of potential leaders and leaders who are ready to go into September, October, November, and that's when 50% of your income is going to be made in any company, and especially this one, bar none. That's what my figures tell me. So we want leadership in place. We want to push and bring people in. So how about this? We have daily pay every single day, unheard of with a product company. I'm telling you that if you put somebody in on Friday after 1 o'clock, the product doesn't ship till Monday. It'll already be in your bank account by the time your prospect gets to the product on their way to their healthy place. It's in your back office. It's very quick. And there are 8 generations below that, 8 generations that pay daily. In other words, if you sponsor me, and I sponsor 10 people, you're going to get paid on those 10 people tomorrow. The minute they're in, you're going to get paid, and that goes down 8 generations. And that's what we call, in this industry, you can be a one-leg wonder, not only on the fast start pay, but also on the unilevel pay. The unilevel pays down 7 levels, and then up to 10 levels as you qualify. 7 levels of pay that's paid every single month, month in and month out, and what we call residual income. Residual income is people are satisfied with the products. You know what? I've taken this type of, I have never taken this type of product, but I've taken nutritional products all my life. You can imagine, 30 years in this industry, how many people have called me, how many people I've talked to, how many people says they have the latest, greatest product that's going to cure everything, the silver bullet. I got news for you. It doesn't exist. It doesn't exist. What exists is a total array of products that will totally change your health perspective. Totally change it. And I'm telling you from the bottom of my heart, I'm taking the product. Gwen went through the products very thoroughly, so I'm not going to spend too much time on that. But the products will change your life. And if you can paint that picture and people understand what you have here, they're going to join you in the business. You're going to get paid every single day when they come in. They bring their people in and so on, all the way down 8 generations. You're going to get 7 generations of residual pay, and that's making money while you sleep as people continue to buy every single month as their life changes. And as they're bringing more people into this movement, and it is a movement. It's a movement that you can't believe. I'm so happy that you're going to be part of this. We have a car bonus that is easy to qualify for. In my opinion, it's the easiest car bonus I've ever seen. It's not a car bonus where you have to commit to a car. You're going to get the money in your back office. It's exciting. We have a bonus pools that's shared with everybody. We have matching checks for the people that you personally sponsor, and it goes down 2 generations. You know, this is exciting, what we have here, and you're at the very beginning of a big movement, and that movement is Team Wealthy Place. You know, I emphasize that because I met the Team Wealthy Place, the beginnings of Team Wealthy Place. 28 of us out there a week ago. That is the beginnings of Team Wealthy Place. The summer is a time when it's hard to focus on your build. Listen to me. It's hard to focus on your build. I'm telling you right now. If you will focus in July and August of this month, you're going to have the merriest Christmas you've ever had in your entire life. Merry in 2 ways. 1, you're going to make all the money you want to make. And 2, you're going to see a lot of healthy people that you've helped out. I'd like to say God bless. Thanks for calling in. Get back to the person who invited you to call and get started. And I'll turn it back to you, Calvin.
Hey, Carl, thank you so much. We are truly blessed to have you on Team Wealthy Place because of all the lives that we're going to change. And listen, you heard it. If you're on this call for the very first time, what we want you to do is, first of all, show some gratitude and thank the person that thought enough of you to get you on this call, because what we are involved with is a movement. But see, a movement only moves at the pace in direct proportion that leadership is developed. So this is truly a leadership development movement. We talked with you earlier about how to get off the toxic grid, how to get off the unnatural, unhealthy grid, where it helps you get to your healthy place. And then we talked with you about how to get off the corporate grid, where you can put yourself in a money-making opportunity, a money-making position where corporate America is optional and not an ultimatum. And I think that's the ultimate freedom, that if you're working in corporate America just because you love it, that's awesome. You're making a difference. But some people are not fortunate enough to be there. So we give you tonight an opportunity to put yourself in a money-making position where corporate America is no longer ultimatum, but this is truly an option. So get with the person who invites you on this call and make a decision to get started, not now, but right now, so we can help you get to your wealthy place with Team Wealthy Place. On behalf of our senior business partner, Mr. Jerome Hughes, all the leaders in Team Wealthy Place, I bid you a great evening, but we want you to go make a decision that can put yourself in a money-making situation as well. This is Calvin Elby in Columbia, South Carolina. Our prayer, our hope, and our desire is to see you at the top. We're going to either see you at the top or we're going to see you from it. God bless. Have a great night. This call is officially open.